Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. We were discussing about electric field. On triangle we discussed, today we will discuss about square and hexagon. If you are taking a square of four corners A, B, C, D. Now I am placing three charges Q, Q, Q. What is the resultant electric field intensity at C, they will ask. So each side is going to be A, then this is going to be root 2A. So electric field due to A, because of positive charge it will be away. This is going to be EA. We are finding electric field intensity at fourth corner. Next, electric field due to C. This is also going to be away. So what is EC means? KQ by A square. This is also KQ by A square. Now EB, this is also positive charge. It is going to be like this. EB. So KQ by, what is this distance? Root 2A whole square. KQ by 2A. Now here you got total 3. So if you want to find, first we'll find resultant of EA and EC. EA, EC, both are going to be same. I am taking it as E. What is the angle between these two? 90. Therefore, resultant of A and C, EAC is equal to root of E square plus E square. What you will get? Root 2 E square, root 2 E. So already you got in force all this. Just I am doing once again. Now root 2 KQ by A square. Now this EAC, in which direction it will be coming means like this. EAC. Therefore, final answer, electric field intensity at D is EAC plus EB. What is EAC? Root 2 KQ by A square plus KQ by 2A square. So therefore, KQ by A square root 2 plus 1 by. So this is going to be final answer. Force also you got same thing, but here you got square, but same answer root 2 plus 1 by. Now same question they have given here with minus q, at B minus q. If it is minus q, how EB will be coming? So EB will come in this direction. Why? Because, so for negative charge electric field intensity 2 watts. Then what is your answer? Then what is your answer means, just you can see. So A, B, C. If it is minus q, so EC will be like this, EA will be like this, EAC will be like this, but EB will be like this. So what is the angle between EAC and EB means? Here you will get negative sign you will get. Understood? So this is about square. Now again, three positive charges they will give. Find the electric field intensity at center they will ask. Same question. So a Q, Q, Q. A, B, C. Now they are asking resultant force, resultant electric field at center. This is. At center means this is from center to here. What is the distance? A by root 2. A by root 2. A by root 2. Otherwise R you can take, small r. Now because of A, it is going to be away. EA. Because of B, EB. Because of C, EC. In this, these two are equal and opposite. Therefore, they will cancel each other. E and EC cancel means what will be remaining now? EB. So, what is EB? EB is KQ by A by root 2 whole square. So, like that you have to solve and take one charge negative, then direction will be reversed. So, like that you can practice by changing values Q, Q2, Q3, Q. So, by exchanging positive negative signs you can try to solve, then you are going to get the answer. Next, same square. So, all the sides are having same length Q, 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 Q. So find the electric field intensity at center. So A, B, C, D. So in this case, force also we said that is also 0. Here also you will get 0. EA, this is R. EA means like this. EB like this. ED like this. EC like this. So all are going to be equal and opposite. This minus this minus this. Therefore, resultant electric field at center will be 0. Correct? Resultant force also at center will be 0. We said already all these things. So, separately, so Q minus Q, Q minus Q. At the time, how we are going to get? Just we have changed the positive and negative signs. Let us assume A, B, C, D. Positive charge away, EA. Negative charge EB is towards, EC positive charge away, ED towards ED. Direction you can see. Again these are equal and opposite. Therefore, again electric field intensity will be 0. Next, another square I am taking. Just we have to practice like this. So, plus Q, minus Q, minus Q. So, A, B, C, D. Now, see the directions how it is going to come. Okay. EA, R. What is EA means? It will be away because positive charge. What is EB? This is also away. So, EA is equal to KQ by R square. Even EB also same. Next, what is EC? EC is negative charge. Therefore, EC will be coming towards. Like that, ED also will be coming towards. Now, what is EC and ED? Both are also same. KQ by R square. Now, E and EC both are in same direction. Therefore, same direction means you have to add. So, 2E you will get because both are same. This is also 2E you will get. Now, again, what is the angle between these two? 90 degrees. Therefore, resultant of these two. So, whenever 2E result, it is going to be 90. Then resultant is going to be root 2 times of 2E. Already we did so many times. This is E. This is E. What is the resultant of these two means? Root E square plus E square. Therefore, root 2E square. So, root 2E. Therefore, 2 root 2E. Again, what is E we said? KQ by R square. So, at center is going to be 2 root 2 KQ by R square, 2 root 2 KQ by, what is small r here? Small r in this square, A by root 2 whole square. You can calculate by sending that. So, like this we are going to get. This is about square. Next, they will ask like this. This is a square of each side small a. Here they have given charge at center of the square. At the time, what is the electric field intensity at one of the corner and at center of the any one of the side? Any one corner or center of any one of the side. So, what is this distance we said? R is equal to A by root 2. Then what is this distance is going to become? R dash is going to be, what is this distance? This is going to be A by 2. Once you got distance, you will get idea. EA, because since positive charge, KQ by R square. E naught dash, here, KQ by R dash square. What is small r we said? KQ by small r is A by root 2 whole square. So, if it is going to numerator, 2KQ by A square. Now, in this if you observe, so KQ by, what is R dash? A by 2 whole square. 4KQ by A square. Again, they may ask, what is the ratio? corner at center, what is the electric field intensity ratio? This by this you will do. So 2kq by a square into a square by 4kq. So 1 is to 2 ratio. So like this they may ask the problem. So this is about square. Like this, if you are taken a hexagon, so if you are taking hexagon, Q, 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 Q. All the charges same. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So like this they are taking. So what is the electric field intensity at center they will ask. All these sides are going to be having same length. Then this one also inside is also going to be same. So because of EA, what is the direction of electric field intensity? This is going to be in this EA. EB in this direction, EB. EC like this. ED like this. EE like this. EF like this. You have to practice by drawing. All are equal and opposite. If you are taking, all are equal and opposite. Therefore, electric field intensity will be 0. Not only in triangle, if all the charges are same, not only in square, if all the charges are same, even it is hexagon or pentagon, whatever it might be. So at center, always we are going to get 0. Like that, blindly we can follow either force or electric field. If charges are going to be interchanged with positive and negative sign, at the time, how we are going to get? If charges are going to be interchanged, same hexagon. So whichever we are drawing here and we are practicing, it should be written in your notes. Then only you will get idea. So if you are simply seeing video, no use for you, no use for me also. Don't watch the video. While watching, you can practice also. Then you are going to learn. Otherwise, so just whenever you are seeing, you can understand, but you cannot get the problems. So all are positive charges we have taken. Now see, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, same ABCDs you can take. I am taking now capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Now EA, because negative charge, towards EA. EB, positive charge, away. EB. EC, negative charge, EC. ED, positive charge or negative charge. So ED is going to be positive charge, therefore away. ED. This is negative charge, towards. That is going to be EF, positive charge. It is going to be EF. Okay. So in this EF and EC, all are will be all are EA equal to EB equal to all are same. Therefore, simply I am writing E plus E to E. Now another one E plus E to E. Now another one E plus E to E. Now, what is the angle between these two means? 120, 120, 120. So at the time, see in triangle how much you got? In this triangle case, if it is 120, resultant is going to be 0. Because 120, 120, 2E, 2E, 120 means you will get 2E. These two are equal and opposite. Finally, your answer will be 0. See, you have to cross check. If all are positive charges, if all are negative charges, electric field intensity at center will be 0. One positive, one negative, one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative. Electric field intensity at center will be 0. So let us assume if one side, 3 charges are going to be positive, 3 charges are going to be positive, Q, Q, Q. 3 charges are going to be negative at that time. How it is our answer? We will see one by one while drawing. So A, B, C, D, E, F. EA, away. EB, away. EC, away. EE, towards. ED, towards. EF, towards. 2 towards, therefore 2E. 2 towards, therefore 2E. 2 towards, therefore correct. Now, what is the angle between these two? This one and this. What is the angle between these two means? 120 degrees. Correct? This one and this one. Whenever it is 120, 2E, 2E, you got 2E. Here also 2E, 2E, you will get 2E. So, final answer is 4E. It will be coming in this direction. Correct? Just you can practice, you are going to get idea. And another one, so they won't give one charge, they will give remaining charges. If you place how much charge, resultant electric field intensity will be 0, they will ask. At the time, if all these are Q, this one also should be Q. So if you solve, we are going to get the answer. So try to solve problems, practice like this. Okay.